Welcome to the OPUS OP Lite Packdown video, where we'll show you the simple process from beginning to end. This video features one person doing the packdown of the camper. However, having an assistant makes for easier packdown. So remember, when using an assistant, be mindful of where they are during any procedure, so as not to cause accidental injury. The first step in packing down your OP Lite camper starts in the interior with the lounge. Before packing down your cushions, remember to open the shut-off valve, located at the rear left of your lounge, as this will allow easy inflation of the tent the next time you use your OP Lite. Slide the folding table back into its travel position and place the shorter side back cushions on top of the table. Lay the two rear back cushions flat on top of the rear base cushion. Then lay the two remaining side cushions flat and slide them next to the rear back cushions. Ensure your cushions are as flat as possible and below the edge of your camper body. This will help when folding down the lid. Make your way outside and unclip the canvas door of your camper. Lift the foldable stairs and secure into position by using the camper keys. Remember to close the plastic flaps on the locks, as this will keep dust from getting into your locks when towing. Next step, walk around your OP Lite and unfasten the canvas from the corners and unhook the elastic straps attached to the camper. Then unpeg the straps at the rear of the camper. If you've chosen to use screw-in pegs, use a cordless drill to remove them from the ground. Move around to the side of your camper and open all four valves located on the main tent. As the air beams begin to deflate, assist by pushing the canvas inward. This will help the canvas pack down into the optimal position in your camper. Move around your OP Lite and start to flatten out the canvas. For those with an annex attached, please refer to our video on packing down your annex for further information on this step. It's important the canvas is tucked away from the edges, as this will allow the lid to close tightly against the seals. Move to the front of the OP Lite and release the front lid latch. Fold the lid over. The gas struts will make moving the lid easy, but always assist the lid and don't allow it to drop when in the downward position. The canvas may naturally start to hang over the edge of the camper body during this process. So allow the lid to rest in a slightly open position and tuck in the overhanging canvas. To achieve this, use your arm on top of the camper lid and push down. Then hook the rear latch, but before pulling the tab down, continue to tuck the canvas inside the camper. Make sure nobody else pushes the lid down whilst you're tucking in loose canvas, as this may trap fingers and cause personal injury. Next, secure the three latches on the side. Move to the opposite side of your camper and close the remaining three latches. Once the tent is compacted into camper body, some of the latches may need a small adjustment to be tighter. To do so, simply rotate the latch. Move to the cage side of the camper and remove the locking pins holding the roof cage in the vertical position. Keep the locking pins close, you'll need them in a moment. Carefully lower the roof cage into the travel position and secure the roof cage on the other side using the latches. Secure the roof cage in the travel position with the locking pins during this process. Gather the latch pins from the control panel compartment and secure all the latches with the locking pins. Use the winder handle and raise all 4 stabilizer legs, and then lock them into the travel position. To speed up the process of lowering and raising the stabilizing legs, try using a cordless drill with the correct attachment. It is recommended that you leave the wheel chocks in place until your OP Lite is connected to your vehicle. Once that's done, then remove the wheel chock or chocks and store them in your OP Lite, ready for use next time. Lastly, head to the control panel and turn off the power buttons. If you want to keep the fridge running whilst travelling, leave the main power on. But remember, this will drain the battery if left on for longer periods of time without a charging input. Congratulations! Your OPUS OP Lite camper is now fully packed down and ready to travel to your next destination.